everybody, I'm Mike from Autonomous, and today we're going to be reviewing our new product, the Smart Desk 4. On our previous smart desks, you would have to screw in the control box, but on our new model, you can easily snap it into place. You can see the metal bracket here slides into the grooves here. The arrow indicates the direction you will need to slide it. So, you just line it up and slide it into place. Well, now that everything is assembled, let's take a look. The surface of the Smart Desk 4 is identical to previous models, and it's available in a variety of different colors, such as white, black, bamboo, and white oak. The frame is made from SPCC steel. Our new Smart Desk is stronger than ever. With our new anti-collision dual motor system, the new Smart Desk 4 can lift up to 350 pounds. And at just under 40 decibels, our new custom-engineered electric motor makes this the quietest smart desk we've ever built. So protect what matters most. With our smart sensor system integrated into the desk frame, it will automatically stop the motor anytime it detects an obstruction. So you can lift and lower your desk confidently and safely. Now, let's give it a test. First, let's create an obstruction. And now, let's see what happens. Almost, almost, almost. And back to safety. Well, there you go. That's the anti-collision function in action. Our new keypad has been updated with a modern dynamic design. But what's even cooler is you can now control your Smart Desk 4 wirelessly. Our app allows you to adjust presets, change the desk height, and lock and unlock your keypad. Take charge of your work and your health with all the controls right at your fingertips. Do you ever forget to alternate between sitting and standing while you're working? Well, you won't anymore. Our new app suggests a schedule for you and reminds you when it's time to sit and stand for optimal results. The Smart Desk 4 is stronger, quieter, and smarter than ever. So if you have a high demand on your working experience, I would recommend the Smart Desk 4. It's now available at an affordable price. You can check out the link in the description, or you can visit our website at autonomous.ai. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all of our latest product reviews and promotions.